How to change your display name in Zoho Mail. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily change your display name in the Zoho Mail account. To change your display name on Zoho Mail, you'll need to first open up a web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and in the URL box type in zoho.com and search. You'll then end up in the official website for Zoho. Go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now click on My Account in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in your profile section. From here, click on Edit. Now, scroll to Display Name tab and enter a new display name for yourself. Once you are done, click on Save at the bottom. You can also change your first and last name according to your preference and then click Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display name on Zoho Mail account. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.